Hi there, Jesse Kurtz in the Mountain West Network studio here with a very special announcement. It's time now to reveal the 2013-2014 Mountain West Male and Female Athletes of the Year. The award takes into consideration not only athletic talents, but good academic standing and great sportsmanship on and off the playing field. The Male Athlete of the Year in the Mountain West is Derek Carr from Fresno State. The Bulldog quarterback concluded a record-setting career in which he established 27 conference single-season or single-game records, including passing yards and touchdowns. Carr, who earned All-American honors from 5 organizations, led the nation in 8 statistical categories and became the 4th quarterback in FBS history to throw for over 5,000 yards and 50 touchdowns in a single season. His achievements not only earned him Mountain West Offensive Player of the Year, but the Sammy Baugh Award, given to the nation's top passer. Carr led the Bulldogs to an 11-2 record, including a victory in the inaugural Mountain West Championship game, in which he was named the Offensive MVP. He was also named a National Football Foundation National Scholar Athlete before becoming a second-round pick of the Oakland Raiders in the 2014 NFL Draft. Emma Bates of Boise State is the conference's Female Athlete of the Year. Bates won the 10,000 meters at the 2014 NCAA Outdoor Championships with the second fastest time in the history of the championship meet, 32 minutes, 32.25 seconds. Earlier in the year, Bates finished as the runner-up in the 2013 NCAA Cross Country Championships. Over the academic year, Bates collected 5 All-American nods, while also being named the Women's Mountain West Cross Country Athlete of the Year and Outdoor Student Athlete of the Year. She won 4 Mountain West individual titles, including a cross-country title, the indoor 3,000 meters, and both the 1,500 and 5,000 meters during the outdoor season. She also set new Mountain West outdoor records in both the 5,000 and 10,000 meters. Congratulations to Derek Carr and Emma Bates, the 2013-2014 Mountain West Athletes of the Year. From the Mountain West Network studio, I'm Jesse Kurtz.